Hi, Sarah here with a Plan With Me video. Today I'm doing a weekly spread in a Halloween theme. I've got some leftover Brimbles stickers. I used some in scrapbooking, I used some to create my dividers. I will link my planner flip through video below if you want to check them out. So I've still got some left over, and I've got the planner stickers as well to use up, so I'm going to use them up creating a spread here. So first off, I'm using this black and orange striped washi just to frame my pages. This is also from Mrs Brimbles' shop, and I've got some gold-eyed thick washi there. That's from Hobbycraft, and then the pumpkin washi is also from the Mrs Brimbles shop, I believe. I'm just adding in my to-do list here. I've left a gap above them for any plans that I end up having throughout that week. I don't have anything particular on apart from my boy going to nursery, so I've just left a gap at the top there. I'm just adding some flags ones just so I can create a cleaning list for part of that column down the side. I've also added a payday and an online shop to remind me to get my online shop done for the month. And I've also got a to buy list, so anything that I run out of household wise or craft wise. I know for instance I really need to get a hold of some more watercolour paper, and I also have a few cleaning products that I need to get a hold of, so they will go in my to buy list. I'm using more for decoration now, some cute quotes and tiny word stickers also from Mrs Brimbles. And this top one here was one long quote, so I just snipped it down and made it fit at the top there. And now I've just got a couple of the illustrated stickers left from my planner dividers, and also from layouts that I've made in the past. So I wanted to use these up too. So I've stuck down a couple of ghosts, and I'm just moving this ghost into the centre there. Because it's white, I can always write over part of it. And I added that cute pumpkin at the bottom there, which was actually just the picture on a page and not actually a sticker, so I just trimmed it out and used it. Now I'm just adding the holes into the washi, and that just goes straight back in my planner. So thanks for joining me today. Do you like to plan Halloween style around October, and when do you change to Christmassy or wintry style? I'm trying to decide whether to do mine in November or December and keep doing autumnal in November. I don't know yet, so please let me know your thoughts. Have a great day everyone. Bye.